Ever wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It goes all the way back to ancient times. One belief was that sneezing could accidentally expel your soul or let evil spirits in. So people said bless you as a way to protect you. During the plague in the 6th century, Pope Gregory I even encouraged it. Sneezing was seen as a sign of illness, and God bless you became a prayer for health and protection. Today, it's more of a polite reflex than a spiritual shield, but it's one of those old traditions that stuck around. So next time someone sneezes, now you know why you bless them.